Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and welcome to our first show of many, Ask Me About Bolivar. Each Wednesday morning at 6 a.m., we're going to have Ask Me About Bolivar and dive deep into what Bolivar has to offer, whether you're a visitor, homeowner, or maybe you're just passing through and want to see a little Texas history and learn more about what our upper Texas coast, 27 miles of beachfront paradise, has to offer. We'll play these shows every Wednesday morning at 6 a.m. And remember, you can always find them on our YouTube channel, or you can find them on Bolivar Live TV at bolivarlivetv.com, or you can download us on Roku and Amazon Fire. I'd like to start off by saying thank you to the Big Store for sponsoring this Bolivar Live, Ask Me About Bolivar, and everything they do in the community. If your big store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. Well, today we're going to kick off these shows at the North Jetties, exploring the North Jetties on Bolivar Peninsula, a Texas coastal gem. The North Jetties are located on the southern end of Bolivar Peninsula in Galveston County, Texas, and stand as a testament of human ingenuity and engineering, and their crucial role in shaping the region's maritime and environmental landscape. These remarkable structures, and I say structures referring to the North Jetties on the southern end of Bolivar Peninsula and the South Jetties on Galveston Island's east end, was constructed to provide protection for the channels leading to the ports of Galveston, Texas City, and Houston, and have a rich history dating back to the start of the jetty construction experiment in 1874. The granite used in the construction of the North and South Jetties primarily came from quarries in Marble Falls, Texas. Marble Falls is located in the central part of the state and was a source of high-quality pink granite, which was particularly suitable for the construction of the jetties. This granite was transported to the construction site and used to build the jetties. The transportation of granite from Marble Falls to the construction site of the North and South Jetties was a significant logistical challenge due to the weight and size of the stones and blocks. To move these massive granite blocks efficiently, several methods and technologies were employed. Railroads, the most common method of transportation for large quantities of granite, was used by railroads. Special rail lines were constructed to connect the quarries in Marble Falls to the construction site in Galveston. Trains would transport the granite blocks from the quarries to the site. This allowed for efficient movement of heavy materials over long distances. The construction of the jetties required careful planning, coordination, and a significant amount of labor and machinery. It was a massive engineering undertaking, and the transportation of the granite was just one aspect of the overall project. These transportation methods were essentially to ensure the successful completion of the jetties, which continue to serve their purpose in protecting the Houston Ship Channel, Galveston Bay, and surrounding coastlines. A historical marvel. The North Jetties are part of a system of two jetties built into the Gulf of Mexico. The construction of these jetties began as an experiment in 1874, and their completion became possible after Congress allocated funds for the work in 1890. By 1898, the entire system was finalized, transforming Galveston into a deep seaport capable of serving global commerce. To embark on the adventure to the North Jetties, take Highway 87 to 17th Street, approximately 1.5 miles from the Bolivar Ferry Landing. The journey starts with an easy walk offering breathtaking views of the surrounding natural beauty. At the start of the jetty base, walking is an easy stroll. However, as you approach the jetties themselves out a ways, be prepared to traverse a series of granite stones that make up the remainder of the pathway. It's a journey that will lead you to the boat cut, which is made for bay boat traffic from the channel side to the beachfront on Bolivar Peninsula. The North Jetties, with their abundance of marine life, attract visitors of all ages, from seasoned fishermen to nature enthusiasts keen on birdwatching and photography. A glimpse into history, the early lighthouse. An interesting historical feature of the North Jetties is the early lighthouse that once stood. This light had no living quarters and was maintained by the keepers from the Bolivar Point Lighthouse. By the early 1900s, it was replaced by a day beacon that displayed a red square on a pyramidal slatted structure situated on piles atop a concrete block. The lighthouse provided guidance to mariners entering Galveston Bay. The North Jetties offer more than just a fishing hotspot with its free access. It's a prime location for birdwatching, photography, and peaceful morning and midday and afternoon walks. The jetties provide an opportunity for you to connect with the natural beauty and historical significance of this site. Now let's look at the role of the North Jetties. The North Jetties hold a pivotal role in the region's infrastructure, serving multiple essential functions. Navigation. The jetties act as beacons guiding ships into the Galveston Bay in the Houston Ship Channel, one of the busiest ports in the United States. Their presence ensures safe navigation for maritime traffic, contributing significantly to the local and national economy. Erosion control. Coastal erosion is a constant challenge for many coastal communities. The North Jetties helps mitigate this issue by reducing wave action at the entrance to the bay, providing vital protection for the shoreline along Bolivar Peninsula. Without them, the natural forces of the sea would slowly consume the island. Sediment management. These jetties play a crucial role in managing sediments in the sea, preventing the channels from becoming too shallow due to sediment deposits. This ensures that ships can continue to access the ports efficiently. Whether you're an angler, a nature lover, or a history enthusiast, the North Jetties on Bolivar Peninsula offer something for everyone. They're not only a testament of human engineering and innovation, but also a vital part of the ecosystem and a source of recreation for locals and visitors alike. With its captivating history and the promise of natural beauty, the North Jetties on Bolivar Peninsula are an experience awaiting to be explored. To see it live through our Bolivar Flats cam, please visit our website at bolivarpeninsula.texas.com, webcams, and Bolivar Flats. And to see the Bolivar Flats for the beauty and the birding, you can also see the North Jetties up close and see everyone on the jetties through the cam, crabbing, fishing, photographers, and those enjoying the view over the Bolivar Flats and Galveston Bay, along with the anchorage area of tugs, ships entering, and the cruise ship. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's Ask Me About Bolivar, and remember, we'll have these shows every Wednesday morning at 6 a.m., diving deep into what Bolivar has to offer, whether it's Texas history, maybe a hot fishing location, a business, the beach, events, activities, and more. You can find it all here on Ask Me About Bolivar. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you on the upper Texas coast on Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. God bless and bye-bye. The Big Store, located at 2385 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, on Bolivar Peninsula. If you're on Bolivar Peninsula and you need anything, stop by the Big Store, where you'll be greeted by a staff of smiling faces and a staff that's eager to help you find what you're looking for. The Big Store is a fully stocked grocery store with fresh fruits and vegetables, meat department with hand-cut steaks, canned goods, dairy products, frozen foods, and beer and wine. The Big Store is also home to a gift shop, camping and fishing supplies, RV supplies, tools and hardware, and home goods, all under one roof. The Bolivar Peninsula Superstore, like they say, if the Big Store doesn't have it, chances are you really don't need it. For more information on the Big Store and their weekly sales ad, please visit www.thebigstore.us.